correct? A cube minus B cube. That formula we use. Okay, but here A is also negative. A is also negative. So first of all, you have to take out sign common. Sign, take out sign common. So here from both terms, minus A cube minus B cube. Which sign is common in both?
Minus.
Minus
Minus.
sign. So take out minus sign common. Minus sign common. So what will remain in the bracket?
Enemy
Plus
down.
A cube plus B cube. Why? Now we can check. Before bracket, which sign is there? Minus. Correct. Means inside sign will change while solving. So while solving bracket, inside signs will change. Already A cube is positive, it will be minus A cube. B cube also positive, it will make minus B cube. So again same term you are getting there. So like this you can take out the common. Now here you can use that A plus B bracket cube formula. You know that A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, correct? Minus this minus sign middle, and in the bracket use A cube plus B cube formula. What is A cube plus B cube formula? You know, A plus B, first bracket,
Enemy.
second bracket, A square
Enemy down.
minus AB plus B square bracket complete. Okay, now here in this square bracket multiply by bracket means one time take A from here and multiply to this whole bracket, second time take B and multiply to second bracket,
Enemy.
and this remaining
Enemy
term as it.
down.
What is the remaining term? That A cube plus 3A square plus 3AB square plus B cube. Now try to multiply here. Minus sign is there compulsory. A multiply by this whole bracket. Try to multiply A into A square. You will get A cube. Correct. A cube. Now A into AB. A into AB. What will get there?
A square B.
A square B minus A square B. Then A into B plus AB square. Correct.
AB square.
Now A multiply this whole bracket completed. Now B multiply plus B multiply by A square. B multiply A square. A
AB
square B.
square.
AB square, not A square B. Squares for A. Okay. Now B multiply by AB. That is here plus minus. Sign is minus. Plus minus minus. And B multiply by AB. AB square.
Enemy. Enemy down.
Screen दिसते का रे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right केलेलं cancel झालं. So for this method, you can solve afterwards. Check A plus B cube minus, take out minus sign common, then here A cube plus B cube remain like this. Then use A plus B formula here. It will be A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. This minus sign as it is here. And in this bracket, use A cube plus B cube. That is expansion is in first bracket A plus B, in second bracket A square minus AB plus B square like this. Now again this first as it is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB
Enemy.
इथे plus B cube राहिला
Plus
plus
B cube.
plus B cube.
Enemy.
Yes, minus in the square bracket. Again try to multiply A multiply by A square minus A square B.
Enemy down.
A into B square, AB square plus plus a square b. Now b into ab. First of all decide sign. Here plus, here minus. Plus minus minus. Minus b into ab, ab square. Now again plus plus b
Enemy!
into b square.
Enemy down!
Completed. Now here these two terms will get cancelled. A square b, a square b. Same term opposite side. Here also ab square, ab square. Same terms will get cancelled. So what remain in the bracket? Only a cube plus b cube. Plus 3ab and listen here bracket is
Enemy
and
down!
the square bracket was a cube plus b cube. Okay, and while solving bracket outside the bracket minus sign is there, so inside signs will change. Correct. So that a cube will be negative and this b cube also negative after solving bracket. So directly solve bracket minus a cube and minus b cube remain. Okay, signs will change because outside the bracket minus.
Enemy!
Now
Enemy
here
down!
a cube will get cancelled, b cube cancel. So what remain only 3
Enemy!
a square plus 3
Enemy down!
ab square, and that is the answer. Correct. Here is the answer, na final answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can take screenshot. So this is also one method. In digest short given directly means it is given in the one, I think 1 to 2 steps.
Enemy!
So like this also you can solve.
Enemy down!
But directly don't use here directly that a cube minus b cube formula, because here a also minus and b also minus. So take out minus sign common first of all like this here, and inside the bracket a cube plus b cube remain. Now use a cube plus b cube formula. Outside the bracket minus sign is there like this. You can take screenshot for your information.
Second, sir.
Okay. Okay. So that practice set 6.4 going on.
Enemy! Enemy
First
down!
example completed.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
not started practice at 6.4.
No.
Okay. So we'll take first example. Simplify. Here it is given in the numerator, denominator. 2 ratios given. It is given in the multiplication or sometimes division also. Check fifth number example. Both ratios are in the division. Okay. Example number 7th also. Both ratios are in the division. The remaining examples are in the multiplications like this. So we'll solve the first example. Simplify means try to convert it to simplest form. First example,
Enemy!
n square minus n square
Enemy!
minus upon m plus n bracket square into another bracket is another ratio is m square plus mn plus
M.
m cube minus n.
Enemy down!
Two ratios are there. This is the first ratio. This is second ratio. Both ratios are in the multiplication. So try to cancel some terms.
Enemy!
Now here,
Enemy down!
first of all, m cube minus n cube. Any formula can we use here? M cube, sorry, m square minus n square. Any formula is there related to that structure? M square minus n square. Any formula is there?
A square minus B square.
Yes, a square minus b square. What is the expansion of that?
A plus B bracket.
Uh,
A minus B bracket.
okay. In the first bracket, a plus b. In the second bracket, a minus b. Similarly, here
Enemy
also you can
down.
use that. Means in the first bracket, m plus n, and in the second bracket, m minus n.
Enemy.
Correct.
Enemy
You
down.
can write here. Arrow दाखवायचा इथे space कमी मी दाखवतो. In the first bracket, m plus n. In the second bracket, m minus n. Okay. Upon. How we can write this? Any idea?
Expansion. Formula.
Expansion is which formula you can use there? Here
Enemy
m plus
down.
n
A
bracket square. A plus
A
b
plus
bracket
B
square.
bracket
SB
square.
Expansion is
Square. A square plus
A square plus
2AB
2AB plus B
plus B square.
okay. Like this you can use, or this formula you can use, no doubt. But check, this bracket will cancel. Here bracket square given. What given? Bracket square. M plus n bracket square means you can write like this: m plus n and m plus n. 4 square means what? 4 into 4. So like this bracket square means what? Bracket into bracket, like this. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Listen, you can apply that
Yes.
formula also, but like this also you can write. Why? Because bracket will get cancelled. If you written like this, m plus n, and second bracket also m plus n. Why? Square is given, so one bracket will get cancelled afterwards. Correct. So try to write first of all like this, into here upside. Any formula is applicable here? No, write as it is. So it will be, as it is, m square plus mn plus n square. But downside you can use formula m cube minus n cube, a cube minus b cube formula. So what is the expansion
Yes.
of that?
A cube minus 3A square B plus
No, no,
3AB
no. That
square.
is, listen. M, that a cube minus b cube. That is that expansion is different, and a minus b bracket, that is
Enemy down.
another expansion.
Yes.
A
A
minus
minus
Here
B
we have,
bracket A
A
square
yes,
plus
minus B
AB
bracket.
plus B square.
in the first bracket a minus
A
b means here
minus B
m.
bracket.
In the first bracket a minus b means m minus n. In the second bracket a square means what here? M
M
square
square
plus ab
plus
means
MN
mn,
Mn.
mn plus b square means
Plus
n
B
square.
square and
N square.
Correct, correct. So here if you insert the bracket, so this bracket and here second bracket will get cancelled. Same brackets are there in the division. Correct.